Hello and welcome to RAB's latest insight into visual flood risk asset inspection. Today I'm here looking at transition elements on embankments. In Norfolk, looking at this embankment where we have a transition between this tarmac path and the grassed embankment. The transition in this instance would be the contact between the tarmac path and the grassed embankment for all elements over the embankment. Let's go and have a look at some more. Hello again, here at a different type of transition now. So we've got a transition from a grassed embankment where this tarmac path goes over the embankment. So what we would have is a transition between the grass and the tarmac. So we'll be looking for typical deterioration between the two, looking for loss of grass, cover, any erosion, loss of material, or any deterioration of the tarmac, any indication they've moved. So some of the typical things we might expect to see at this transition is a loss of material, particularly on the grassed exposed face. The reason we want to look at the exposed face is because we've got an area where we've got an increased risk of deterioration to either element. You can see, for example, in this concrete step, we've got a little bit of deterioration in here. We'd expect some of the typical defects we'd see would be deterioration, loss of material to either the grass or the hard engineered surface, but also potentially movement of either surface. So this is one type of transition that we might see on an embankment. Let's go and have a look at another one. So here we are at a different type of transition. We've got a transition from a wall asset into an embankment asset. The transition element itself would only be picked up within the embankment asset. What we'd be looking at here is the transition specifically between the wall and the embankment itself. So where the wall, the concrete of this wall interacts with the earthen grass covered embankment. Thanks for watching our insight into transition elements on embankments. If you'd like to look at some of the other visual asset inspection works we do or any other work, please visit our website at rabconsultants.co.uk. Thank you.